Welcome everyone. So today we're trying to find out the square root of 111556, and this one thing which is given, it is a perfect square. Okay, so here I'm going to show you another method which is called as what? Expansion method. Okay, so here we'll write this 111556. Okay, we have this number, right? This number can be written in the form of, let's write it in the proper expansion form. So I can write this as nothing but what? 111 into 1000 plus 55 into 100 plus 6 can be written as what? 5 plus 1. Okay. So this becomes, can I say 111? I can write this 1000 as nothing but what? 999 plus 1. And this 5500 plus 5, I can write this as nothing but what? 555 plus 1, right? So this, now let's do this. Okay, what we'll do is we'll multiply. I'll write 111 into 999 plus 111 into 1 plus 5 into 111. I can write this 555, and then I'll write the plus 1 as it is. Now if you look closely, here this can be written as what? 9 into 111, and this 111 will continue, right? Plus 111 into 1 plus 5 plus 1. This becomes what? 3 square into 111 square, and this will become what? 111 into 6, right? 1 plus 5 is 6, which can be written as what? 2 into 3 plus 1. So basically, if you look closely here, if this becomes your a, so this is a square, and this is also your a, so this becomes 2 into a, and your b is 1, so it's obviously it's multiplied by 1, right? And this is 1. So therefore I can say this is nothing but 3 into 111 plus 1 the whole square, right? And we needed to find the square root. Okay, so here we'll put the square root. Now if you look closely, the root and the square will cancel. So final answer for this one is 333 plus 1. So final answer is 334, right? So this is method is called as method of expansion, but this works mostly in the case of when they have given you proper perfect squares. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.